Hi friends, welcome to my channel Tinu Lovingly Art. This is a video of painting a Pichwai cow with its scarf and lotus all around for a blouse back neck. Come on friends, let us get into the video. Here I have already marked the blouse back neck and its center. Now I keep my design paper above the carbon sheet and I secure my carbon sheet and design paper from moving using tapes. Then I use my pencil to trace the design onto the fabric. If you need the outline sketch, then the link for the outline sketch is given below in the description. I carefully trace down every single details onto the fabric. Then I start painting white as a base layer for the painting. I have used white acrylic color here. I usually make 2 coats of white base layer. Here I have used Dupian silk fabric. I normally use Dupian silk, but the fabric today I am using is more textured, so it absorbed a lot of paint, and so it was a bit difficult in painting the design. Here I have used round brush of size number 4. As I am to paint lotus all around the cow, I have made the cow painting in a smaller size. Now I have completed making the base coat of white color for the painting. So now I use brown color to paint the cow and its scarf. Firstly, I add white color, then brown color on the borders and I blend it inwards. Similarly, I follow the same step for the entire painting. For the ears, to show some pink shade along the inner folds of the ear, I have used pink along with white and brown. Similarly, for the other ear also, I add some pink color to show the pink shades in the inner ear folds. Similarly, I follow the same steps as I painted the ears to paint the cow's udder, which means I use a little of pink along with brown and white to paint the cow's udder. This gives a pink shade along the folds, and so the painting look more realistic. I have used white and brown acrylic to paint the calf. Then I paint black for the tail of cow and the calf. And I also use black for the feet of cow and the calf. Then I have used white acrylic to paint the eyes of cow and the calf. Then using black acrylic color, I make the outlines for the eyes and draw the eyeballs for the eye. And again I use black acrylic color to outline the mouth of the cow and the calf. You can see here I have drawn some lotus randomly all around the cow and the calf using white color pencil. And as always, I use white acrylic color to make base coat for the lotus, its bud and its leaves. Here also I have used the same round brush of size number 4. Here I am going to paint my lotus in light pink color. For that, first I am adding white acrylic color for the petals, and then I add pink along the borders and I blend in the pink acrylic color with white to make the petals look lighter pink in color. As I have already said, the fabric here I am using is more textured and the paint is absorbed very fast. And so I add multiple layers here to make the lotus look more brighter. After painting the petals, I add pink along the borders to show the shadows and folds in the lotus. And similarly, I paint all the lotus and the lotus buds all around the cow. I guess you can see how the fabric texture is. You can see a lot of thicker threads in and out all over the fabric. And that's why I found it bit challenging in painting on this fabric. This is actually a Dupion silk fabric, and normally I prefer Dupion silk fabric for painting, as I have always found it as a good base for painting. But I didn't know what went wrong this time, so always check your fabric before you buy. So now I have completed painting the lotus and the lotus buds all around. And now I am to start painting the lotus leaves. As the original color of the blouse by itself was green, it was little challenging to paint the leaves. Firstly, I have added white and then I have added dark green along the borders and I have blended in. But as I felt it was not looking good, I am adding some light green to the leaves. I repeat the same process of shading for all the other leaves. Then again I was not happy with the leaf color, so I tried adding some chrome yellow to the leaves. So you can see here I have used white, dark green and chrome yellow acrylic colors to paint the leaves so that I can differentiate the leaf from the blouse color. Similarly, I follow these same steps to paint the leaves all over the blouse. If you are new, do support us by subscribing to my channel. Press on the bell icon to get notified on new videos. If you like this video, do like and share this video with your friends of similar interest. And do share me your comments on this video in the comment section. And you can also share me your thoughts and suggestions on my channel in the comment section. After painting all the leaves, the painting work on this blouse is completed. And so now I am going to use my 3D outliner to make some borders for the painting. This is a pearl metallic gold 3D outliner from Fevicryl brand. Here I draw some smooth lines using my 3D outliner to make it look like stem that connects the lotus buds and the leaves. I make some smaller triangles using my 3D outliner along the base of the buds and the smaller leaves to connect it to the stem. I also make outline for the cow and its calf. After completing your outliner work using 3D outliner, allow your fabric to completely dry for a day. And once the 3D outliner completely dries, Use black acrylic color to make some black outlines all over the painting. And when all the work is completed, make sure you reverse iron your fabric, which means iron on the back side of the fabric. And this is how the painting looks once all the work is completed. Thank you for watching the complete video, friends.